What's up, kids who technical? I'm back again with another video. Today, as you can see here, I have some products from this company called Zeera. They reached out to me and wanted me to review some of their products, so of course I said yes. So they sent me over one of their MagSafe cases for my iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is a 3-in-1 foldable traveling wireless charger, and they also sent me our USB charging cable, and we're just going to open it up and test out everything and let you know what I think. So now first let's open up the case and let's see what the case is about. I want to see what this case is about. So this is the case. It says Zeera. There is the website, but I'll drop a link to the website in the description so you can go pick up their products for yourself. So pretty much this is what the case looks like. Of course, it has the MagSafe ring around it. I'm not a fan of that, but it is what it is. It's a clear case. So I'm going to place it on my iPhone 13 Pro Max right now. It feels good in the hand. As you can see here, you do get a nice cutout for your camera. You get your buttons. Let's see. They're very clicky. I like that. Down here at the bottom, you get access to all your ports. On this side, you get that lanyard loop. And on this side, you get a nice cutout for your alert slider. You get nice cutout. You get a nice clicky buttons for your volume up and down. On the back here, like I said, it has the ring. But this case doesn't look too bad because I have white and it kind of goes well with that white. It's kind of blending in a little bit, just a little bit. You do get some lip. You get some nice lippage. So now let's open up the cable that they sent me over. I didn't know they were going to send me over cable. They told me what they were sending me, but maybe I missed interpret the cable. But this is just a USB-C to USB-C cable. This will not work with the iPhone, but that's okay. But this is USB-C to USB-C. You can never have enough cables. And I love a nice cable that is braided nice. You don't have to worry about this getting tangled because this is nice, thick, and it's sturdy. So that's a nice look. And now we're going to get to the main star of the show, which is this Zeera 3-in-1 portable wireless charging pad. I've never had a device like this, so this is going to be nice to use. It says max 15 watts for iPhone 13, iPhone 13, 12, or other devices. And then up here it says max 5 watts for AirPods or other devices. So basically you could charge your iPhone, your AirPods, and probably your Apple Watch. And I'm gonna test that out in a minute here. So let's get this open. That is what you're greeted with. And at the bottom, you also get your cable so you can plug up. It's USB to USB-C once again. And this is what the charging pad looks like. Man, this feels nice. This is very, very, very lightweight. I've never had something that looks like this before. And like I said, it's travel. So like if you go on a lot of trips, or if you work at a desk at an office, this is good to just fold up and put in your pocket, put in your bag. This is nice. You get your USB-C charging cable ports. You know, let's check it out. I think this side would be for your iPhone, your Apple Watch, and your AirPods. So now we're gonna just test this bad boy out. So now I'm gonna use this cable. I'm gonna use this cable to plug this into here, like so. And then I do have something, a cable outlet that I can plug this into. So just bear with me real quick. And I'm going to get this all plugged in for you. This is not how I'm going to run it. I'm just doing this for the sake of the video. But as you can see here, it is connected, the red LEDs. So first, let's drop on the iPhone. Oh, yep, this side is the MagSafe compatible side, as you can see. Then I'll drop on my AirPods. And as you can see, my AirPods are charging. Or I can drop on my Apple Watch. Just like that, my Apple Watch is coming on, and it is currently being charged by this 3-in-1 charging cable, 3-in-1 charging pad. I really do like this. This is a neat little look. So if you have the iPhone, you have your AirPods and Apple Watch, you are good to go. I believe this works with Apple, and I think this just works with the Apple Watch. I'm not quite sure. I will fully test that out a little later, but you can drop any kind of, it doesn't just have to be AirPods, you know. I only did AirPods because I have iPhone and Apple Watch and I wanted to match it up, but anything that has wireless charging, you could wireless charge. And if you don't want to charge up that, you can charge up 2 phones at the same time here. Should be able to charge up your other devices that you currently have. As you can see, I'm charging up my Z Fold 3. I got my Apple Watch currently connected, and I'm also charging up my iPhone 13 Pro Max. But this side, I believe this side only works with your Apple phone. I believe so. That's why it has that there, because it's for MagSafe. So let's see here. Yeah, this side will only work with your iPhone, which is fine, because that is what it's most geared to, is an iPhone, and I'm okay with that. And then this for Apple Watch. I don't have anything else to try to test, but I do have the Apple Watch, and I actually like this little look in this setup. And you can also charge up your, have a Pixel 6 Pro that I can throw on my charger here and charge that up if I want to. Like I said, anything that has wireless charging capability, you can use it with this wireless charging pad. Like I said, this is really nice, simple. Then I can throw on my Soundcore Liberty 3 Pros right there, and I have a nice little charging station here. So this is what that is looking like. I really do like that. I think I will use this little setup a lot more. And so once you take off all your devices, the LED turns red, and then when you put devices on the pad, the LED turns blue to let you know that you are charging up some devices. So pretty much I want to say thank you to Zeera for sending me out their 3-in-1 wireless charging pad and their case for the iPhone 13 Pro Max and their cable. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.